Did you know that over 80% of people who use baking soda have no idea about its most powerful benefits? That's right. Millions of households use this common kitchen staple for baking or deodorizing the fridge, but ignore its wide range of health-enhancing properties. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is considered by many experts to be one of the most underrated remedies in the world. But what makes it so special? In this extended video, we're going to dive deep into the remarkable health benefits of baking soda, from detoxifying the body to enhancing kidney function, relieving arthritis pain, supporting oral hygiene, and even helping with exercise endurance and flu symptoms. We'll break it all down with scientific studies, practical tips, and clear guidance. We'll also discuss safety precautions and who should steer clear of it. When dissolved in water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution. This alkaline nature can help neutralize acids in the body, potentially supporting detox pathways. Detox baths with baking soda have been used for generations to soothe irritated skin, reduce inflammation, and promote a feeling of renewal. Add a cup to warm bath water, soak for 20 minutes, and many report feeling recharged. Internally, a diluted solution of baking soda may aid in balancing pH levels, particularly in people with high acidity. However, it must be done cautiously. One study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that bicarbonate slowed the progression of chronic kidney disease in patients with metabolic acidosis. That's a big deal, but it only works with medical supervision. Ever wonder why baking soda is a key ingredient in many toothpaste brands? Its mildly abrasive texture helps remove plaque and stains without damaging enamel when used gently. It also raises the pH in your mouth, making it harder for harmful bacteria to thrive. This helps fight bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. One study from the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed baking soda-based toothpaste outperformed non-baking soda formulas in plaque removal. You can also make a simple homemade toothpaste with a mixture of baking soda and coconut oil. Heartburn affects millions. Whether it's from spicy food, overeating, or stress, that burning sensation can ruin your day. Baking soda's natural alkalinity helps neutralize stomach acid fast. Just mix half to 1 teaspoon into a glass of water and sip slowly. It's a widely recognized home remedy and even has the backing of clinical studies. That said, it's not meant for daily use due to its sodium content. If you have heart or kidney concerns, check with your doctor. Baking soda's ability to disrupt the ideal environment for fungi makes it a powerful ally against conditions like athlete's foot, ringworm, and even dandruff. Use it in foot soaks or mix it into a paste to apply topically. Studies show that it can inhibit the growth of multiple fungal strains, making it a natural alternative to harsh chemical creams. Though it should never replace antibiotics, some people with frequent UTIs find baking soda helps manage symptoms by making urine less acidic. Lower acidity can reduce burning sensations and create a less hospitable environment for harmful bacteria. One study in the Japanese Journal of Urology reported reduced symptoms in participants who consumed baking soda in small amounts daily. These small, painful mouth ulcers can make eating and talking uncomfortable. Baking soda rinses help by neutralizing acid, reducing bacteria, and calming inflammation. Rinse your mouth with half a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water twice a day. Research from the Journal of the American Dental Association supports its use in reducing pain and promoting healing of minor mouth sores. Surprisingly, baking soda can be a performance enhancer. During intense workouts, your muscles produce lactic acid, which causes fatigue. Baking soda acts as a buffer, helping maintain your muscle pH and letting you push harder for longer. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirmed that sodium bicarbonate supplementation improves performance in high-intensity, short-duration activities. Start with small doses to avoid stomach upset. People with chronic kidney disease often suffer from acid retention. Baking soda, when used under a doctor's supervision, has been shown to slow the progression of kidney damage. It helps reduce the acid load on the body, taking pressure off the kidneys. In one clinical trial, patients who took daily bicarbonate supplements preserved more kidney function than those who didn't. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, including arthritis. A 2018 study in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking baking soda in water helped reduce inflammation and even altered immune cell behavior. It shifted the balance away from aggressive inflammatory responses, easing joint pain and swelling in rheumatoid arthritis. Gout is caused by an excess of uric acid-forming crystals in joint. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, potentially reducing the frequency and severity of flare-up. Some sufferers report that a small dose of baking soda in water provides relief during acute episode. Baking soda doesn't cure colds, but it can ease symptoms. Gargling with a warm baking soda solution can soothe sore throats and reduce bacteria. Adding it to a saline rinse can also help clear nasal congestion by breaking down thick mucus and calming irritated membranes. Studies in animals have shown that baking soda can alter the pH of tumor environments, potentially slowing cancer spread and improving the effectiveness of treatments. A landmark study in Cancer Research, 2009, found that it improved chemotherapy response in mice. This area of research is evolving, but it should never be used without medical oversight. Sweat itself is odorless, but bacteria feeding on it causes body odor. Baking soda neutralizes these acids and absorbs moisture. It's also aluminum-free, unlike many commercial deodorants, and safe for sensitive skin when used moderately. Mix it with coconut oil or use it dry under arms. Many people also add it to homemade scrubs or face masks for its exfoliating properties. Despite its many benefits, baking soda isn't for everyone. People with kidney disease, high blood pressure, or heart conditions should avoid regular internal use due to the sodium load. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor. People with respiratory conditions should not inhale it, and excessive use can cause digestive upset or electrolyte imbalances. Baking soda is more than just a baking ingredient or cleaning agent. It's a versatile, science-backed tool for health and wellness when used safely and mindfully. From detox to deodorant, mouth care to muscle recovery, it has a place in almost every home. What's your experience with baking soda? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay healthy.